intended, but maybe a little pun intended. But when I say cold, I meant emotionally, not weather-wise. Even though weather-wise, it's cold.
Or maybe it's a New York trend.
None of the above. I just have a little bit of BO.
More like MO.
MO.
Moved on.
Or massy obsession.
Or meow.
We're just kidding, Claire Bear.
Guys, I would never replace you.